Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to be switching out the accessories on the Flyer M880. I'm going to show you how easy and simple some of these accessories are to switch out. So right here we've got the child seat installed, and this one was very simple to put on. We got a couple different things. The first one is we've got this little clip down here, so we're going to undo that. Put that back in there. I'm just going to slide it back in just to kind of keep it there. And then if you follow me around here to the back, and we've just got this little knob here, and basically all we're doing is loosening this, and that's going to loosen the mechanisms down here. And just pop that out, and then voila, it just pops right out. So it's got this little mechanism down here in the bottom, and it just fits right in here on the rack. So the rack's made for this, which is super nice. There's no third-party extra things you gotta take care of. It's just boom, bam, boom. Super easy to get on and off. And then we're gonna set this down over here, and we're gonna pop on the basket. Now with the basket, there is a little bit more work involved because we do have to put some bolts into it. So take the basket, and we can go ahead and throw it right here on the back. Right there, should do. And all you gotta do, thread these bad boys on in here. There we go. So now that's on it. We can go ahead and add the liner to it. And the liner is fairly simple. What I'm gonna do is, where is this? So this side's got the Flyer logo. It's also reflective. So we're going to put that on in the back, just giving us a little bit more visibility. Now all you do is wrap these around and clip it in. And there's a few things about this liner that I like. Number one, it's got a little bit of this, I'm assuming it's cardboard here in the bottom, so it does keep its shape even on the bottom, so it's not like it's going to bend up or fly up. It's got something in there to keep this down here, and you got this cool little pocket. So what I was doing, when we got the review units, we take the keys, we normally separate them, so that way we can kind of keep track of everything. Just threw one of the keys back in here, and then boom, you've always got this. Or if you wanted to throw in, something smaller, but yeah. There you go. And so we just switched all that out. It took a couple of minutes. Now if I was going to switch from going to get some groceries to then I was going to take my son around somewhere, I would just come in, unbutton this, you undo a couple bolts, you pop that back in, tighten it up, throw that strap around here, and boom, you're ready to roll again. So all the accessories here are super easy to switch out, and they all seem to be really well made.